Cabo, baby.
The money got my mind. About to get down.
You know, we do Winter Circle and we do these events because we want to get the group together. We want to connect.
Just landed at the airport and we got the whole crew over here.
Going to Cabo, I honestly had zero expectations. I am not a planner, so I didn't look up the resort name, nothing until I was on the flight.
Oh, wait.
You go through the airport and then you immediately just hit a bar. Like that's on the other side. So we said, thank you.
So we got a great welcome, a bunch of hooting and hollering. I just knew at that moment that this was going to be a special event.
Party time.
Party time.
Nice headband.
We do so much. We have like so many hats that we put on. So to be able to take a few days and just get away and kind of clear your mind and regroup is amazing.
We're out here live on the scene. Just got to the hotel. Got the entrance song pumping. Hey, what's the entrance song we got pumping? Barbra Streisand. Yeah, Kim.
You know, what gets lost when you have a large brokerage like this with 1,000+ agents is the feel of like what's going on out there. You see each other on the other side of transactions, but you never really have a face. You don't have, you know, an experience with that person to really understand who they are. And they say you really get to know people when you travel with them.
Bienvenidos a Cabo San Lucas.
Party time, you gotta come down to Cabo San Lucas, baby. Where we love you, we'll take care of you. This is where it's at, right there. And a Squid Row.
Squid Row's cool. Squid Row.
Squid Row.
Squid Row is like the typical Cabo party alongside Mango Deck. There's just push-up contests and all sorts of crazy things happening. The meet and greet was really great. It brings everyone together. It's not as businessy as all the other stuff we do. Hola! We're in a foreign place where no one knows anybody else.
I think most of us danced and had like tacos in the courtyard.
You know, what was nice about this trip is people were able to kind of do what they wanted to do and kind of disperse.
How are you, cutie pie?
You know, do whatever you want, have as much fun as you want.
With Davies. Woo! We're about to go find some surf today.
There's no timelines, we're in Cabo, we're here to hang out, we're here to network.
We just made it to the surf spot. Curtis gonna get in on the action.
What's up?
We're about to pick some boards.
Flex on, flex off.
We have a ritual, like anytime we go out, it's always Sam's birthday. So we got him a shot.
It's always fun to see, you know, Sam get one of those shots when he really doesn't want to, so it's really enjoyable.
He's had like 10 birthdays this year.
So HQ is the headquarters where everyone got together to meet every day.
And usually we leave that part to Sam because he never leaves that area. And there's always a bar.
So the resort has this awesome like pool bar that looks over the water.
It was where everyone was congregating, and it was a fun place to kind of, you would go for a beach walk, come back to HQ, and be able to like interact.
We're having the time of our lives. We love our BBR family.
You didn't even need to leave the pool to get a drink. You just swim up to the bar and they'd serve you right there.
Of the 7 pools, we chose the best one. And it's just infinity to the ocean.
So the next morning we woke up, we had the idea to go jet skiing. Probably about 10 people that all got together, went down to the beach. And the best part about it in Cabo is they kind of just let you go do your thing. I was having a good time spraying people with the jet ski, which was quite satisfying.
Oh my God. We were soaking wet head to toe. Why? Oliver.
And Zap, shout out to Zap, riding it like Superman. So a day of jet skiing and an hour-long massage where they worked out all the knots from jet skiing.
Sasan and I were fortunate enough to play with Michelle and Mark Mesker.
Corey comes to me and says the Meskers want to golf. But of course, Corey, quite the talker, decided to make a bet.
Well, I'm not a very good golfer, first and foremost.
Wesley Ives, who's also a Big Block real estate agent, was talking a lot of trash last night about how Corey Rozier and Sasan had no shot to beat the Meskers.
And he, without even knowing my golf game or ever seeing my golf game, he bet them $100 each.
Get in the hole. Get in there. Get in there. But they did just take the 10th hole.
Oh, she sunk it. Good job, Ms. Mesker.
Take us home, Corey.
Sasan and I ended up winning. So
We'll do it again.
So the white party was crazy.
The white party was, I think, one of my favorite things. It was on property, no one had to go anywhere.
It was a lot crazier and a little bit more like spring break than I thought I would ever be on. Seeing them party in this foam and dancing around in the pool, there's go-go dancers everywhere.
They were legit, like.
The DJ was off the charts, the dancing was off the charts.
They brought the foam, they brought the lights, the music, and we all had an amazing time.
I felt like I was living my best life.
Sam and Sasan ended up getting a spray gun that shot champagne, and of course they were like a kid in a candy store.
I don't know, 70-year-old women getting blasted in the face with champagne guns. Like, my night was so made.
People are actually asking you to blast them in the face. Whoever invented that, you're a gentleman and a scholar. A conga line broke out and Sasan was showing off his moves. And woo, sauce. Every different song hit a different dance to. The guy knows how to conga, he knows how to salsa, he knows how to break dance.
That's so funny that you guys would say that because, just thinking about that white party just is making me like, it's so hot. When I was there, I was dancing and then my shirt just got all sweaty. I'm sure people have pictures of it. All the stress that comes with this wonderful job was let go that night on the dance floor.
I'm gonna get a trophy made for Sasan, like a sculpture. We gotta get a sculpture of Sasan.
No judgment.
We out of here. It's been Real Cabo. Until next time, peace out.
yeah, so I mean the last day it was kind of sad just because I feel like everyone had a really, really good time.
To sum up the trip, from hanging out at HQ to going to Mango Deck, people going jet skiing, golfing, making bets, acting silly, having fun. With all that said, the best part about all of it is just seeing everyone so pumped and so grateful. We put a lot of effort into putting on this event.
I've been working with this group for a few years now, and each year it just gets better. Being together, we were 65 people deep. We've never had that attendance.
We have something different that other people that we meet don't understand. We're real estate agents. We can handle more drama, we can handle more stress than I think anyone possibly can, and be able to get those people to let loose, 3 days in Cabo with 60 real estate agents. What could be better?
Thank you to Big Block. We had an amazing time and we can't wait for next year.
We hope to see everyone next year in the group, and if you're not in the group, definitely want to push yourself to elevate to get in that top 5%, and we'll look forward to seeing you at the next one.